In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Coursera course for later. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on the page, and what to do if the option isn't available on your account. This walkthrough is simple, clear, and designed to help you keep track of courses you want to come back to without losing your place. Start by opening the course description page for the specific course you're interested in. This is the page with the course overview, instructor details, and enrollment information. Once you're there, look for an option labeled Save for Later, or a small heart icon located next to the Wish List button. Click that. When you select it, the button typically changes to indicate the course has been saved. So you know the action worked. This adds the course to your saved list, making it easy to return when you're ready to start or when you have time to explore it more thoroughly. It's a quick way to build a personal queue without enrolling immediately. If you don't see Save for Later or the heart icon on the course page, don't worry. This feature may only be available if your Coursera access is part of an organization's learning program, like one provided by your workplace or school. In that case, the option can be turned on or off by your program administrator. If it's missing, reach out to your administrator to confirm whether your plan includes it or if it can be enabled. Sometimes the simplest explanation is that your current plan just doesn't support saving courses within Coursera. If the feature isn't available to you, use your web browser's bookmarking tool as a dependable alternative. Bookmark the course description page so you can come back with a single click. To stay organized, consider placing the bookmark in a dedicated folder, such as Courses to Explore or Learning Queue, so your saved courses don't get lost among other links. You can also rename the bookmark with a clear title so it's easy to spot later. This approach works across different browsers and devices, and it's a reliable backup if the Insight saving option isn't present. That's all you need to keep Coursera courses handy for later. Visit the course page, save it using Save for Later or the heart icon when available, and if not, rely on a simple browser bookmark. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!